Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about something we all need but often neglect: decluttering. It's a task that can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Clearing out the mess not only creates physical space, but also brings mental clarity. Imagine walking into a room that feels open and inviting, rather than chaotic and stressful. So, let's dive into some practical tips to transform your space and, ultimately, your life. First off, start small. It's easy to get discouraged if you try to do too much at once. Don't try to tackle the entire house at once. That's a recipe for burnout. Focus on one room, or even one section of a room. This way, you can see progress quickly and stay motivated. For example, take on that overflowing kitchen drawer you've been avoiding. It's a small project, but it can make a big difference. By breaking the task into smaller parts, you'll find it less overwhelming and more manageable. Plus, each small victory will give you the confidence to tackle bigger areas. Next, use the 4-box method. This is a game changer. Get 4 boxes and label them: keep, donate, toss, and relocate. This method helps you make quick decisions. As you go through your items, decide which box each item belongs in. Be honest with yourself. If it doesn't serve a purpose, it's time to let it go. If you haven't used something in the past year, chances are you won't miss it. Set a timer to keep yourself on track. Give yourself a set amount of time, say 15 or 30 minutes, to declutter. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. This way, you're not committing to a whole day of cleaning and the pressure is off. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done in a short, focused burst of time. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in a short burst of focused time. It's all about making the most of the time you have. Now, let's talk about sentimental items. These can be the hardest to let go of, right? They hold memories and emotions. It's tough to part with things that have sentimental value. My advice: take a picture of the item. This way you can keep the memory without keeping the physical object. It's a win-win. You get to hold on to the memory without the clutter. Another great tip is the one-in, one-out rule. This is a fantastic way to maintain balance. For every new item you bring into your home, get rid of one old item. This keeps your space from getting cluttered all over again. Simple, yet effective. It's a great way to keep things in check. Moving on, let's not forget digital decluttering. Our digital spaces can get just as cluttered as our physical ones. Our devices can get just as cluttered as our homes. Emails, files, and apps can pile up quickly. Spend some time organizing your files, deleting unwanted emails, and clearing out apps you no longer use. It's a digital detox. Your mind will thank you for it. A clean digital space can be just as refreshing as a clean physical space. Finally, make it a habit. Consistency is key to maintaining a clutter-free life. Decluttering isn't a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. Make it a regular part of your routine. Set aside time each week, even if it's just 10 minutes, to keep things in order. Little and often is the way to go. So, there you have it. Decluttering doesn't have to be daunting. With these tips, you can start small, stay organized, and make it a habit. It's all about taking that first step. Trust me, your space and your mind will feel so much lighter. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, a tidy space leads to a tidy mind. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy decluttering. Keep your space and mind clear.